Hi, this is Ken Rust with Small Scale Aquaponics, and on these videos we're highlighting our pumps and our compressors from Blue Diamond, fantastic manufacturer of products for aquaponics, for aquaculture, and also for hydroponics. The particular product I want to talk about today is the HX line of pumps. This is an HX4500. It does 528 gallons per hour. It's a really nice meaty little pump, and it's got a lot of small accessories that come with it. It's got a couple of different connectors that go in here. They set in there with a good friction fit. This is the other connection. This one has a little port on here that we'll show you in a second that works really good for a Venturi line. That's included. It also includes a second impeller and some directional tubes. They're going to fit in here with just a simple friction fit, so it works really well for a lot of different applications. If you want to transfer water to a filter, if you want to transfer water to your hydroponic system and spread that out, it's a great pump. And it has flow control here on the front dial. This pump uses only 36 watts. We have it plugged in to a watt gauge here, and it's showing like 33. If you have 10 cents a kilowatt, most people don't even know what they pay per kilowatt, but if you had 10 cents per kilowatt and you ran this pump all month long, 24/7 for a whole month, it'll cost you $2.50. So that's really nice, efficient pump as well. Now, also it has handy dandy suction cups. I learned how well they work because when I was testing it earlier, I couldn't even get them off the side of the aquarium. So we're going to attach that on here. We're going to plug it in and crank it up so it's nice and quiet. The maximum amount of dynamic head is 9 feet on this pump. So if you get up to 9 feet, then the pump's not going to be able to pump anymore. But on low head applications, this is going to do up to 528 gallons per hour. Now, just show you these connector tubes so you can redirect your water to make flow go in a couple of different directions. You can hook those together. Easily just put that on here with friction fit. So now we've got water going out across the top of an aquarium or top of a tank, making a directional flow. And again, this is very secure on here with the suction cups. Now, it's on a lower flow setting right now, and I'm going to turn it up just so you can see the amount of flow coming out of that pump. It's very, very good pressure. Let me put this on here again, you can see just how much. There's a lot of good pressure coming out of that pump. Now, one of the other neat things is that it includes this Venturi tube. I wish it fit in here just a little bit better. Venturi is when you're sucking in air due to the directional flow of a pump. And so you're going to suck it in there, and it's going to help degas your water and add back oxygen and air to that. So just simply insert the tube here, and now it's drawing in air from here. It's putting it into your pump line, and the current, the pressure from your water, the negative pressure as the water comes out of that tube, is drawing in that air. Well, you can see that's very good for aeration, and you're using it with one, you're aerating and you're pumping with one mechanism here. So it's very nice. So you can turn that down so it's a little less violent, or you can turn it way up. So when would you want to aerate with a Venturi? Well, anytime you're running an aquaculture, a hydroponic system, or an aquaponic system, you want to aerate as much as possible, as long as it doesn't interfere with some other mechanism. Anytime you're putting air in the water, it's generally a benefit. And so you wouldn't want to put this directly into a closed filter, but if you're transferring water into your plant beds, then you're going to have extra oxygen going in there. That water's going to be fully aerated when it's going to go there, and that's going to make your plants go crazy. They're going to just love having those roots well oxygenated, because they're always consuming that. Fish are always consuming oxygen, and not only will they grow faster, they're going to be less stressed, and that's going to protect you from disease or any other thing. Your filtration in your aquaponic system or your recirculating aquaculture system will also benefit from oxygen. The bacteria in those systems are all the time consuming oxygen. People forget about that sometimes, but the bacteria need oxygen so that they can also transform those nutrients from toxic to non-toxic for your fish and to usable nutrients for your plant beds to consume and grow with. So again, this is an HX4500 by Blue Diamond. Hailea is the brand. These are available on our website for under $25. You cannot beat that for a 528 gallon per hour pump, 36 watts, and lots of accessories to go with. Ken Rust with Small Scale Aquaponics. Call us today.